It's Earth Month, and right now, Sheila Bonini, a sustainability expert at the World Wildlife Fund, joins us with the scoop on how washing your laundry in cold water can help fight climate change, prolong the life of your clothes, and save you money. Sheila, let's do some laundry. Thanks for being here.
Hi, thank you for having me. It's really important today that we address climate change. And the good news is there's lots of things that we can do in our homes, simple eco habits that we can do. And some of these people are pretty familiar with. 6 out of 7 Americans make a conscious effort to turn out the lights when they're not using them. But there are other things like washing in cold water that people are just not that aware of. Only 0.5% of Americans think of switching to cold as an eco habit that can save energy in their home. Just switching from hot to cold when you're washing a load of laundry can save 90% of the energy usage in that load of laundry, which is why we're partnering with Tide to switch consumers from washing in hot water to washing in cold. They have a goal of switching 3 out of 4 loads of laundry washed in the U.S. To cold water by 2030. If you want to find out more about sustainable living tips, you can go to worldwildlife.org or tide.com for your laundry needs.